Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, share my video, like, comment, and support this lady over here. And for today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make chips mayai. It's so easy to make. It's so cheap to like make and cook, And the only ingredients here we need is capsicum, the tomato. Let me show you these capsicums here. Tomatoes, the onions, that way. Then eggs, of course, eggs. That's why it's called chips mayai. And salt, yes, a big bowl, yes, a pan here, and of course a lid that will help you in covering. So I'm gonna show you all that process. And mark you, in this recipe you don't have to use cooking oil. You see how cheap this recipe is? That's how cheap it is. You don't have to use any cooking oil. And yes, of course, we have the chips itself. And let me just transfer these and show you. Let me transfer these. Oh my god. So I was in a hurry and I couldn't manage to make by myself, and so I had to rush in the nearest restaurant and I managed to get these. But if you're not in a hurry, you can always make your fries at the comfort of your home. Sasa mimi nilikuwa na haraka kiasi and I had no time, so I had to run in the nearest restaurant and purchase that. And so let's begin. Let me just create the space here. So I'm gonna, before I light up my fire, I'm gonna chop these veggies over here and just prepare everything and put on this inside the bowl, and the process begins from there. Okay. The first thing I do is chop the onions. Into small pieces. And as always, you can use any veggies that you love in this recipe. And as for me, I love as much onions as possible in my chips mayai recipe. And kama sio mtu wa vitunguu, pia you can only use one onion. And make sure I've washed everything. Everything here is clean. The hygiene is so important. So after I'm done with all that, it's time for me to go in with my salt. Just a little bit to just give your chips mayai a taste. Then break the eggs. Then after there, give your eggs a thorough beating, okay? Mix everything together like so. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put on the fire for my pan to be hot. And make sure your heat is on low. And this is how my mixture is looking like. Yeah, just give it a thorough beating and yeah, mix everything together and all that. This is how it's looking like, and yes. So after I'm done with that, I just make sure that I wipe off my pan. By now it's hot. Then go in with my fries like so. For better results, make sure you cook these on low heat. Then from there, I'm gonna go in with my mixture and just spread it on my fries like so. Then finally cover these and give it some time to cook before you go ahead and geuza. Okay, I'm coming back to show you the results. Stay tuned. So after 3 to 4 minutes, let's see how it's going on. And by now I'm so sure it's ready. The one side is ready. Mayai is ready, and I'm just going to put off the thing with these chips mayai, the aroma itself, oh my god, it's just giving. So this is how it's looking like. And voila, we have our chips mayai ready. See how it's looking like. This one right here is tasting so good. Please try this recipe out and tell me in the comment section what you think about this chips mayai recipe. And yes, it goes so well with tomato ketchup or the normal tomato tomato sauce, and of course with a drink. You can choose a drink of your choice. I like some Fanta orange, passion, or Coca-Cola. It goes so nice. And this also, if you have babies, they will enjoy this meal over here. It's so easy to make, and as you have seen, it's a quick one, and it doesn't take any much of your time. And until on my next video, my people, please, I will see you all very soon. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Try this recipe out, and bye bye. Let me enjoy.